Underneath the tubes, medical tape, and heavy breathing, Brandy McGlathery is holding on to her little miracle Eli. After carrying him for 9 months, he's finally home, wrapped in her arms. It was also in her arms in her delivery room when she realized something was wrong.
He was delivered, and the doctor put him on my chest, and as his dad, Troy, was cutting the cord, I kind of pulled him down, pulled him back so I could get a better look at him. And I stood there for a second, and then I said, something's wrong with him. And my doctor said, no, he's perfectly fine. I said, no, he doesn't have a nose.
Her initial excitement shattered with their first embrace. Eli was born without a nose, nasal passage, or sinus cavities. The disorder's so rare there's reportedly only 38 other people in the whole world with cases like this. Doctors at USA Children's and Women's Hospital in South Baldwin were baffled by the baby. His mother's ultrasounds and tests showed there was no sign anything was wrong.
He said, Brandy, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know how this happened, but you're right. He doesn't have a nose.
Within hours of his birth, Eli was whisked away to specialists. His daily life now includes a tube to make breathing and feeding easier, and there will be several surgeries in his near future.
The life that was normal to us before isn't going to be the same anymore. I mean, it has to change in order to fit with him.
Extra care for his new parents and also lots of love. At 6 pounds, 8 ounces, it's hard for them to keep their eyes off their miracle baby, their little bundle of joy. In Baldwin County, Jasmine Williams, Local 15 News.